We've all had those moments when we look in the mirror and wonder, like, wait, when did those fine lines and wrinkles appear? If you have, I can totally relate. A lady of a certain age, and I have had my share of challenges with confidence, and I have been on a journey of self-acceptance about aging. It is a journey, and we all go at our own pace. Hey, it's plant-based Tracey, your holistic nutritionist and health coach. I just finished reading this incredible article titled How to Naturally Reduce Wrinkles on nutritionfacts.org. And let me tell you, I've got some game-changing tips to share with you today about how you can reduce fine lines and wrinkles naturally. All right, let's dive into this eye-opening article on wrinkles and the fascinating medical research behind it. The article states that studies have shown that a healthy diet is associated with fewer fine lines and wrinkles, and the benefits of a healthy diet on wrinkles are believed to be due to antioxidants, reducing oxidative stress, anti-inflammatory properties, protection from the sun damage, improved collagen production, and better DNA repair. A diet dominated by meat and junk food, well, that's a recipe for more wrinkles, so the choice is ours. So here are some tips for a healthy diet that I think could help you achieve a youthful glow. Tip number 1, fill your plate with a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables. These natural powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can support your skin's health and radiance. So every day, make sure to eat vibrant yellow produce like bananas and bell peppers, deep red berries, rich purple grapes, and luscious leafy greens like spinach and kale. They all provide different vitamins and minerals and antioxidants that are essential for giving your skin a youthful glow. So for lunch, I always like to make sure to include a generous portion of whatever vegetables I have in the house, and I prioritize leafy greens because they are true powerhouses in the vegetable world. Tip number 2, embrace the power of nuts. Not only are they just delicious, but they also offer incredible benefits for your skin. Almonds in particular have been shown very promising for reducing wrinkles. I am a huge fan of almond butter, and I absolutely love it in smoothies, on top of mug cakes, or drizzled on top of fruit. Tip number 3, if you are looking for a sign to finally say goodbye to unhealthy eating patterns, let this be it. It is time to ditch processed food-like substances and welcome nutrient-packed alternatives with open arms. So commit to going through your refrigerator and your pantry and either donating or even discarding any unhealthy foods that don't support you living the beautiful life you deserve. Tip number 4, protect your skin from harmful sun damage. Shield yourself from excessive sun exposure and always prioritize sun protection. Incorporating sunscreen and adopting sun-safe habits can really help preserve your skin's youthful appearance and prevent premature wrinkles. I'm kind of known in my neighborhood as the crazy woman who wears this hat that covers my face completely, and I even did this before COVID. I know it looks unusual, but my skin is so sensitive, and I feel like if neighbors want to laugh at me, well, you know what? They can enjoy it. Tip number 5, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Proper hydration is key to maintaining supple, plump skin. So make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and consider incorporating more hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon into your diet. I always have a huge glass of water next to me, and I put 2 large glasses of water on my nightstand at night before I go to bed so I can drink them when I first wake up and before I even get out of bed in the morning. I hope you found these tips valuable, and I'd love to hear what you do to maintain healthy skin and your thoughts on these tips in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for the article on nutritionfacts.org and the link to my hat on Amazon. You deserve to look and feel your best. And to learn more about how you can take great care of yourself, check out this video.